India is very beneficial health food item. Other than this, numerous health benefits, curd is also one of the beauty ingredient that all of us can find in our homes. Do you know, friends, that curd is rich in lactic acid and other skin beneficial substances which help the skin to get rid of fine lines, flaws like black spots, black marks, etc. Curd will also make the skin tone lighter when the beauty recipes with the curd are using regularly. Not only that, you can use the curd to remove the excessive suntan of your body that we accumulate during the summers. Not only that, you can use the curd to remove the excessive suntan of your body that we accumulate during the summers. All these beauty benefits and the use of curd are not only for girls, but men or else boys too can try these tips to enhance their skin tone and texture. In this curd, you don't need to add any ingredients. The curd itself does the miracles. You just apply this curd or else the yogurt all over your body and gently massage well. After half an hour, you just clean it off with cool water. You will observe the instant results. Here are the 6 impressive health benefits of eating curd or yogurt daily. The main highlights are: curd is a great probiotic which makes it good for your gut. Curd has moisturizing effects on your skin. Also, it contains special proteins and nutrients that control high blood. A bowl of fresh, creamy and homemade yogurt is one of the simplest food joys. This Wonder Dairy product can make for dish itself with fruits or chopped onions and tomatoes, or it can be blended into smoothies used to add texture to your curries or make your breakfast real wholesome. It is very convenient for us to pair yogurt with our daily meals, but have we ever wondered about the amazing health benefits that we can enjoy by having a bowl of curd or yogurt every day? Yogurt comes from the milk and therefore it is loaded with several essential nutrients like calcium, a vitamin B2, a vitamin B12, potassium and magnesium. An advantage with the yogurt is that it is light on the stomach and easier to digest than the milk. If you didn't know the advantages, here are the 6 impressive health benefits of eating curd. It is very good for Number 1. Number 1. It is very good for digestion. Yogurt or curd is a great probiotic ingredient. These good and beneficial bacteria are known to improve gut activity, soothe the inflamed digestive systems, and treat an upset stomach. Number 2. It is very stronger in immunity. The live active cultures found in the yogurt fight disease causing germs and keep your gut and intestinal tract protected. A scientific study conducted by a team of researchers at an University of Vienna in Australia found that eating a 7-ounce dose of yogurt was just as effective in boosting the immunity as popping pills. Also, it is very helpful to beautify or healthify your skin. Curd has a moisturizing effect on your skin and it heals your dry skin naturally. A lot of people suffer from acne due to certain gastrointestinal problems. Curd helps in marinating a happy and active gut, which leads to healthy skin. Yogurt is an excellent beauty ingredient for face packs too, as it contains lactic acid that acts as an exfoliator and clears off all dead cells and blemishes from your skin. It also reduces the high blood pressure. A research presented at the High Blood Pressure Research Scientific Sessions of the American Heart Association showed that the people who ate more non-fat yogurt were 31% less likely to develop high blood pressure than others. The special proteins in yogurt, along with nutrients like potassium and magnesium, help in lowering high blood pressure and promoting a healthy heart. Number 5. It prevents vaginal infections. Yogurt may be particularly good for women as it helps in discouraging the growth of yeast infections. The lactobacillus acidophilus bacteria found in yogurt is known to control the growth of infection in the body and kill the yeast by producing hydrogen peroxide. Number 6. It is very good for the bones. A cup of yogurt or else 250 grams of yogurt contains about 275 mg of calcium as per the United States Department of Agriculture. A daily dose of calcium not only helps in maintaining bone density but also strengthens them. It is low in fat and calories and thus may also help in keeping your weight in check. So don't forget to take yoga daily in your life. It helps for your health as well as for your beauty. So friends, these are the benefits of yogurt or else the curd. It is not only helpful for your health as well as your beauty, it will get amazing results. Please do try this. Just apply the curd all over your body and just massage well on your face and the body smoothly. After half an hour, just wash it off with your lukewarm water or else with cold water. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any doubts, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Please do share with your friends this video and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.